Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new video on the light bar collection. How are you guys doing and how is everything? I hope you guys are enjoying the video we are posting on this channel. If you do, give this video a giant thumbs up, and if you don't enjoy the video, please let me know in the comment section below what you think on the video we have been posting. And if you do as well, make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. So what we'll be doing today is this wallet, from the material, the flux material, to the wallet. So that's what we'll be doing today. So this is the wallet, as you can see. Very ordinary and very beautiful. And the material I'm using has like a design texture to it, but the material is gold, so very beautiful. So it has just one zip, and if you open the inside, this is how the inside look like. It has a pocket here where you can keep all your stuff, and it has place where you can put your pen. This is a pen holder, it's two inside. Then it has where you can slot, it has a card slot, which we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. It has 5 card slots. So it's a simple wallet which is zipped this way, and it has a strap which you can use in holding it. So that is it for you. So without no further ado, we will proceed to talking about the illustration and the design. So as you guys can see, this is the design of the wallet. As I said earlier, I say it's a simple wallet we are making today. So here is the design for you guys. You know, from the design, I will be cutting a full material of it, which is the back. So the shape of the material is going to be 4.2 by 8.5. So if you want to cut the full, here will be 8.5 by 8.5. but this particular one I just finished showing you. Now when I want to make it, I decide to change the measurements. So this side I change it to 9. I add ½ inch to make it 9 inches. So this is the full material. This is how it's going to look like. So if you want to make yours, you can use any measurement scale you decide to use, depending on what you want to use the wallet for, or maybe if a client asks you to do the measurements or what they want to use it for will determine how big or the measuring scale will be. So I'm just using this time to tell you. So here is going to be 9 inch when you want to cut the full material this way. So the handle, the strap, actually the strap, when I was designing it, I make it 11, but I discovered the first one I did, this one, the strap is okay but a little bit small. So like for other people that want it to go in their arm, just like this, it can't go in my arm, I can only just hold it like this. So I decide to increase it to 12 inch. So I will be showing you everything I've cut now right away before you see. So the inside pocket I was showing you is going to measure 4 inch by 7 inch. So you fold the top. After you fold the top, it will reduce a ½ inch. It will now be 3.5 point something inch, or 3.5 inch by 7 inch. So this one as well, you are going to cut 7 inch by 3.5 inch. You understand? 7 inch by 3.5 inch. So when you want to start measuring where the slot card will be, the slot for the card, first from the down you measure 5.5 centimeter. We are not using inch again now, we are using metric, not imperial again. You measure 5.5 centimeter. Then the wideness of where the card is going to enter, the card will slot in through the up straight like this. So it will be 5.5 centimeter as well. So after you measure the first one in the down, which is going to be 5.5 centimeter, the distance between each card will now be 2.5 centimeter. So I think if you measure, after you finish measuring this 5.5 centimeter, if you from here to here will be 10 centimeters, so in between will be 2.5 centimeter, and you have a little bit space at the top here for you to for the card to be able to stay. So that is it for the illustration. I hope you guys understand this. So without no further ado, now we'll proceed to the cutting now and we'll explain the rest of the video to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell, like this video, and leave a comment on what you think on the video. So welcome back, guys. Here are all the cutting I've made out for you. So by now on this channel, except if you are new to bag making, I know by now you guys know what to do if you want to cut your material. So this is the main material, the full material, which is going to go the back of the bag. And as you can see, I've shaped the edge where the zip will corner, because the zip is not full opening, it's just 2 side opening, not 3 side opening. As you can see, I've shaped it. So this doesn't have any measurement. You can just get your shaping tools or your protractor, or you can even get a cup to put it at this edge and you shape it. So that is it. So from the previous one I show you, I'm adding a little bit of a touch to it. I will put in this outside pocket to it, so when I am making it, you see the process. Then this is the inside for the card slots, and this is the other pocket inside. This is the strap. As I said, I've added 1 inch to this strap as well. Then this is the pen holder, these 2. Then this one is for the D-ring for the strap as well. As you can see, I've shaped where the D-ring is going to stay, and I have my zip head here. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. This is my zip head and this is my D-ring. So it's just few material that is not here, like the lining I will use for the card slot, so that the card won't be falling in or falling off. The lining I'm going to use. Then the zip rope as well, that is just, and the pin that will go in between the strap. Those are just the material or the accessories that are not here for now. So I hope you guys enjoying, I hope you guys understand all the measurements here down. So this is the pin I was talking about that is not here, and the zip rope. So, and the lining as well, the lining, because if you check this card slot now, I put a lining inside. I hope I can bring it out a little bit. It has a black lining inside. There's a way you do it. I will try as much as possible to show you so that your card will not fall off. As you can see, this is the last card at the top here. So if you put it this way, you see I've finished putting it. That's where the lining will stop it inside. And this, you see, that's the top card. And the same thing to the second one. If you put it, it's not going to go more than how you want it to be. So you do that when inserting the lining, and you make sure you sew the lining down. If you are not sewing the lining, you can use gum, but I decide not to use gum in this purse making. I'm using just sewing to hold it down. So that is it for you guys, and let's start proceeding to sewing and assembling of every stuff. Thank you guys for watching. So this is how you do it. First, you place your lining this way, you sew it, then you turn it this way, you put your card how you want it to be, you fold this, you turn it upward. So after you put your card, you use your card to push it down and know where, how you want, as far as how you want the lining to go from the card. As you can see, this is the card pulling the lining down. Then you place this back. You make sure you arrange it very well. You remove your card and you sew the top here. You try as much as possible not to do mistake, because I'm about to, I was just I almost did mistake now, as you can see. So instead, if you know you can't do it this way, you should look for a gum or a two-sided tape and put it. A two-sided tape to put, and if you don't have card, you try as much as possible to get the recommended card size. Then you measure the size and do whatever you need to do when sewing. So as you guys can see, I've finished making my card slot. I've put all the lining at the back. So this is my strap as well. I've finished sewing it. I didn't want to waste time and keep showing you this. the outside pockets the same thing, and the inside pockets the same thing. So I double stitched it to like give it a decorative design. The same thing applicable to the strap. So this now I will keep them aside. So the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to sew this onto this particular side. So if you are making this, when you want to sew, after you finish inserting the lining to where the cat spot is going to be, you make sure you place this very well. Give a seam allowance for where you are going to sew your zip. Then this edge this way, you cut it out a little bit this way, so that it will give you a chance when you are trying to sew your zip to it. Then you place this one and you sew it. So here is it, guys. As you can see, I've do the top stitching. You see how beautiful it is. This is what will give the purse or the wallet its shape. The top stitching, that's the importance of this top stitching. And I said I've make a video coming up for the top stitching. I think it should be up before this or maybe after this, so you guys should stay tuned to that. If I've uploaded before I upload this video, you can go and watch it and see what I said about top stitching. And if I upload this before it, you should anticipate for it. So the next thing we'll be doing now is you insert your So here is it. The last thing you want to do is pull your strap. You insert the strap through the D-ring, which is the handle as well. You place it the way you want it to be. Make sure you arrange everything well. And this is the last part of the wallet slash purse. You make sure these go on top each other, just as I've done this. So after you keep it this way, you use your punch, you put your punch on it and you punch through. After you punch through, you remove your punch and you put your pin. You insert the bottom first. When you insert the bottom you insert the bottom first. As you can see, I've inserted the bottom. I hope you are seeing it clearly. Then this is the top. You place the top and clip it. You can use your purse like this, but if you leave it like this, it can remove at any time, it can pull off at any time. So you either use your garment machine to press it, or your plier, or in this situation I'm using my hammer to rivet it down. So, and that's it. Our purse is ready to be used and ready to go. As you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots, 1 pen holder, 1 big pocket inside, another outside pocket, and our purse is ready to go. But the way it is, you can also put your phone inside, you know. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video. If you do, give us a giant thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Share this with your friends. Anything you think of this video, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And thank you guys for watching. And for those of you, if you want okay, that's the end of the video. Just forget about it. We'll see you in the next one.